welcome back to It IT Chai. Today, I've got something super exciting to share with you. Are you tired of spending hours editing videos for your social media platforms? Well, guess what? I've discovered an absolute game changer, an AI software that can help you create hundreds of reels and shorts for your social media in just a matter of minutes. Say goodbye to the struggle of video editing and hello to viral-worthy content. But before we dive into this amazing software, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. And hey, if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow content creators. Trust me, they'll thank you for it. Alright, let's get into it. The software I'm talking about is called OpusClip. And the best part? They offer a free trial. So, all you need to do is head over to their website, OpusClip.com, and sign up for your free trial. With the trial, you get a ton of time to test out the software, so you won't feel rushed at all. Now, here's how it works. First, you'll need to have some YouTube videos on hand. If you don't have any yet, make sure you upload a few before using OpusClip. Once you've got your videos, simply copy the link of the video you want to use. Then, paste that link into the OpusClip website. It's that easy. Once you've pasted the link, OpusClip will start processing your video. The processing time will vary depending on the length of your video, but don't worry, it's totally worth the wait. While OpusClip works its magic, go ahead and grab yourself a coffee or do some other work. You're about to save yourself a ton of time and money. Alright, once the processing is complete, you'll be amazed at the results. OpusClip will automatically generate clips from your video, making it super easy for you to create engaging and attention-grabbing social media content. No editing skills required. I've personally tested this software, and let me tell you, it's a total game changer. You can now create professional-looking reels and shorts in minutes, without having to spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars on video editors. It's all right here, at your fingertips, for free. So, what are you waiting for? Click that link in the description below and start your free trial with OpusClip today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Say goodbye to the stress of video editing and hello to viral-worthy content. Alright, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed learning about OpusClip and how it can revolutionize the way you create content for your social media platforms. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more awesome tips and tricks. Until next time, stay creative, stay inspired, and stay awesome.